Hello everyone, today I show you how to make backfire in your old car. This is BMW E36 with M50 turbo engine. With big Chinese turbo GT35, VAC coils and Russian engine management EQ January 5.1. Injectors from 5 cylinders Fiat Turbo. The main reason you can see backfire and hear loud noises from your exhaust systems, main part of fuel from your combustion chamber was burned in your exhaust systems. How to do it? First of all, you should turn off fuel cut. When you raise RPM and close throttle, your fuel should continue to inject in combustion chamber. I'm turn off fuel cut and let's see what will happen. We don't hear any changes from the sound. Let's move ignition angle. Minimum ignition angle that my EQ allow me to do, minus 19 degrees. Let's do it. And now we hear some popcorn sounds, but we need much louder. For this we need more oxygen in our combustion chamber. In this we can do it with idle control valve. I make valve wider and let's see what happens. Now we need to make less fuel income to combustion chamber. So this is result what we tried to get. So with all these steps you can do it by yourself with any EQ that your car have.